Miss Mary from the Glassboro branch of the Gloucester County Library System, and welcome to our STEM is Fun activity. Today, in honor of Earth Day, we are going to be talking about trees and how they get to new places. You've never seen a tree walking around, so how do trees get their seeds to new places for them to grow? Well, they have a number of dispersal methods. You might have seen trees with fruit or berries, and they have squirrels or birds help them out in exchange for a small snack. Some trees use water, like the coconut, which actually managed to float its way all the way across to the Caribbean. Some trees use fire. Pine trees are especially known for this, that they'll wait until there's a forest fire, and then when all of the land is clean and has new ash, which is very good for trees, it'll disperse all of their seeds at once, so new pine trees can grow. But the tree that we're talking about today is going to be the maple, and they use the wind. Helicopter seeds, or maple tree seeds, are very cool, and we are going to make a model of one today. You will need one piece of paper, just normal blank paper, a pencil, a ruler, and some scissors. Oh, and a paper clip. Okay, so start by folding the piece of paper in half, and then fold it in half again. So it's only a quarter of the size it originally was. Unfold it, and carefully cut along these new lines. You're only going to need a quarter sheet, which I've already pre-cut over here. Now with this quarter sheet, you are going to use your ruler and your pencil, and you are going to draw a line right in the middle. And from that middle line, you're going to measure out 1 centimeter on each side for the bottom. Go ahead and cut those 1 centimeter lines up as straight as you can. Let's see if I can show you this. You want to cut them up to about the halfway point. Then trim off the extra, and you should be left with what basically looks like a giant letter T. This part is going to be your seed. This up here is what we're going to turn into the helicopter. So you're going to trim it right along that midway point and get 2 halves. You're going to fold 1 half forward and the other half backwards. This will create a spinning motion. Then carefully unfold them to the halfway point so that they're sitting up. It should look just like that. Now we're going to take our stem here, fold it once and twice, carefully crease it, and go ahead and add your paper clip to the bottom. This is going to add weight to it, just like the real seeds have weight to them. Then, when you drop this, it will spin. See how far you can get your paper model to spin, or if you can come up with a better paper model for trees to distribute their seeds with. Let me know what you think. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.